Okay, a little bit of an update. As you've just seen from the video, today I was able to get the car out of the garage, well, nose anyway, and I've degreased and just washed it with a hose pipe. Nothing too special, just a quick wash down, mainly to flush the system, the coolant system. Hopefully you saw in the video all the brown that's come out. So obviously that's a good thing because I don't want it in there. The problem I'm at now is that I want to take the, I said before that this wasn't just a quick water pump change. I want to make a bit of a job of this. So I've taken the fan off the radiator, which is just down here. I have to excuse the light, so it's just down there, you can see, along with the coolant hoses just there. And I gave the water bottle, coolant bottle rather, a clean out as well. That's just there, so that's looking a lot better. Now hopefully you can see with this light, a bit dark again, but I've gave the engine, I say, a bit of a degrease and clean. I'm going to go over it again, a proper clean. But like I say, I've took the fan off, which is just down here. So there's no fan on there anymore. You can actually see where it's been. So the floor is a little bit wet because it's just been dripping. I had to put the car back in the garage. But the problem with the radiator now, the fan was just one bolt on there, and the radiator's one bolt there and one bolt there. Now, can't see for the light. The problem with this one is that the bolt that sits behind here, this slam panel, is corroded, so I can't actually take the radiator off. So what I'm going to do is try and hacksaw this bolt out. My battery is running low, I'm not doing much more recording tonight, but yeah, basically the plan is to hacksaw that bolt off, and I'll have to try and source a new bolt and clip. But once this radiator's off, then I can have a look at basically tidying up all this panel down here as well. So 10 minutes later, that bolt is now out. You can see the bolt there that's all rusted, so I do need to find a new clip, well, two to be fair, if I can get new ones, and two new bolts. Now the other one is just there waiting to be taken out, so once that's out, the radiator then should just lift straight out. So final clip from tonight. As you just saw, the radiator's now out. That was easy enough. There was a lot of coolant in, which I've just tipped outside. Oh, that's the mic wire. So now you can see all this, which is hidden by the radiator. Okay, so it's actually been quite a few days. I've been waiting for the fuel pump to turn up. That hasn't turned up. So I'm just going to do a bit of cleaning now. So hopefully you can see a lot better now. So what I've done off camera is just basically clean this entire area. So if you are looking at this and thinking about doing yours, or even if not, if you think this area is a bit dirty on your car, it's worthwhile moving the bottle and checking its hole. Now you have one there and you have one on the other side. Now these are drainage holes, and to be honest mine was a little blocked, so it's a good idea, as I say, just to check yours. This is not blocked. All you need is a little screwdriver, just poke it through there, make sure that any water that's in this area can get through, because if not, all this area is going to be, it's going to end up getting a little bit rusty, which we don't want. So yeah, just poke a little screwdriver down, make sure it's free, and the job's a good one. So as I say, off camera now this is all clean. I just wanted to update you about that mainly. So yeah, I didn't want to film up putting this back together because it's a little bit boring, so I'm going to put all that back, some of the pipes, and I'll bring you back after. So as you can see, the bottle's back on, pipes are back on, and I'm still waiting for this water pump, which you can't see because it's too dark at the moment. But yeah, when the pump comes, then I can put or reconnect some of these pipes back up. Okay, so after a bit of waiting, the water pump has come. Yay! I also have a flu and feel like death. I'm not going to talk and go for it like I normally do. I'm just going to point the camera and just do it. So I'll put some music over the top and do it that way. So as you can see, bumper's finally off. The rust's not that bad. I'm going to leave it there for today because I'm tired and I need a break. So I'll see you in the next one.